The content is organized as follows. Title: Restoring the Natural Flow, Floods in the Grand Canyon. Introduction. Overview of floods as natural phenomena and their historical role in shaping river ecosystems. Introduction to the human intervention in controlling floods, focusing on the Glen Canyon Dam and its impact on the Colorado River. Paragraph 1. Recognizing the importance of floods. Comparison between fire and flood as natural phenomena and humanity's historical attempts to control them. Shift in perspective among hydrologists towards recognizing the importance of floods for river ecosystems. Introduction to the man-made flood in the Grand Canyon aimed at restoring natural processes. Paragraph 2. Historical perspective on Grand Canyon floods. Description of historical floods in the Grand Canyon caused by spring snow melt from distant regions. Impact of annual floods on sediment distribution, beach formation, and sandbar creation in the Colorado River. Paragraph 3. Impact of dam construction. Discussion of the Glen Canyon Dam's role in disrupting natural flooding patterns in the Grand Canyon. Lack of sediment deposition due to the dam's construction and its adverse effects on river ecology. Paragraph 4. Decline in wildlife population. Case study on the decline of the humpback chub population and its correlation with the absence of sediment-laden water. Explanation of the chub's adaptation to turbid water and vulnerability in clear water conditions. Mention of other species affected by the dam's impact, leading to their disappearance or replacement by invasive species. Paragraph 5. Challenges and lessons from previous floods. Review of previous flood events in 1996 and 2004 and their mixed outcomes. Challenges faced in managing flood volumes and sediment distribution. Optimism surrounding the current flood event due to increased sediment availability and potential benefits for river restoration. Paragraph 6. Potential limitations of current flood. Acknowledgement of the current flood's smaller volume compared to historical floods. Comparison of current flood volume with past deluges and their significant sediment moving capacity. Speculation on the effectiveness of the current flood in achieving restoration goals given its lower volume.